Hi everybody, this is Rob with Yoro Adventures. Today we're going to go for a ride in the desert. The desert for us is we're pretty lucky to have it actually. We can ride from the house and not have to put the machines on the trailer. So we decided to make a trek out for today. My wife and my son are in Cuasi and I'm on the Polaris Sportsman. In case you're not from this area, we have dry riverbeds called arroyos, and it's a way for the desert to funnel the water naturally down to the river. A lot of times we can get rain out a couple miles out and we'll start seeing water coming down these arroyos. And here's some video of what it looks like when we get a heavy rainstorm and what the arroyos look like. In this case, the water in this arroyo came from a storm about 4 or 5 miles away. I'm going to turn up the audio so you can get the effect of how loud this water is coming through the arroyo. There's Crazy Bear and my niece Liberty. They decided to join us on the ride and go out and see, get a little bit of time on the seat. My father created the seat that Liberty is sitting on, and that way she can join him safely. And this is one of the many ways we experiment with our vehicles to find accessories that aren't out in the market. Well, we were hoping to hopefully meet up with an old friend of ours, and we're discussing that, and we're going to go ahead and get on the trail.
Look at that hawk.
So right up ahead is one of my favorite hills. I'm about ready to go up that I like to do videos from because it's very close to the house. It gives me high vantage points, so that way as I do videos you can see more of the scenery behind me and not just sagebrush and arroyos. Once we get past these initial trails, we get on a main road. This dirt road services the area. There's a lot of houses spread out in this area. A lot of the land is private land, and you'll see a lot of cool things like prepper houses is a big one, squatters, mobile homes, trailers, and even full-blown houses being built. So this area is known by the locals as the Dunes at the end of Southern. It is a part of the desert where people like to take their ATVs and dune buggies and really go exploring and riding around. There's a big dune hill that you can climb and some speed, and lots of little areas that you can kind of try out what you're made of if you have an ATV, dune buggy, or pickup truck. This area also serves as the entry point into the Rio Perco, which gives you over 20 miles of riding trails in the area. The nice thing, and the reason why it's so popular for locals, is that right outside the city limits of Rio Rancho, you can access this area in pretty much anywhere from Albuquerque to Rio Rancho. It doesn't take more than 20 minutes to get to. this is a fun little area we found. It's an MX motocross track that dirt bikes love to race around in. It is full of little jumps and steep inclines, declines, and banks to just ride as fast as you can. This is the first time we've been out in this little track, and we were having quite a bit of fun. Well, enough playing on the motocross track. We're going to have to head home. It's getting late. And we're going to finish the video with some music. Thanks for watching.
Waiting where to go.
once again, thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe and like our videos. Feel free to leave a comment. I try to reply as quickly as possible. And I look forward to seeing you out on the trails. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.